Hello tubers and welcome to the Pistol Lineman Workshop for the first episode of Askbilly. This is Billy here, Billy Ballswell. As you can see, he's just enjoying the finest blend of
Raw plug.
raw plug. Right. Now, we have actually got an email, which is impressive. Thank you very much. The first question, a bit of an odd one, I'm not sure why, but what happens when you heat up boiled sweets?
Are you meant to do it with the wrapper or without the wrapper?
I don't know. I'm going to take them out of the wrapper because it smells like plastic enough in here at the moment.
Yes.
Yeah.
Can't
So-
I think, oh.
Yeah. Yeah. So we've got a nice array of sweets here. Well, we don't really know what's going to happen. We've got a couple of unbug-looking things. Got a lemon sherbet and a cheap whatever's original. I could smell gas. I don't know where that's coming from. Right. I don't know why the person wants to know this or what's actually going to happen, but easy. I don't know if they're just going to melt or they're going to blow up,
Stink.
or stink, or catch fire. So we're going to find out for you. Yeah. So we've got a nice little eat-proof tray here. We're going to use. Hang on, Billy's gone out.
Where's he gone?
There you go. Puff away, son. So I don't. Appreciate, condone smoking myself, but
Stunch growth.
you know what he's like. Yeah. So, what do you want to do? The wombles are on route.
Yeah.
Should we do all of them at the same time, or just
Do.
We'll
Well, we'll try an unbug first.
Yeah, okay.
We want a mint unbug, don't we?
I don't really know what these are. I don't know how.
Well, you know, they've got sherbet in them.
Yeah, no, I think that one does. I don't know how old they are. Oh yeah, it's minty. I do want to light it. You can light it.
Yeah.
Right. This is a mint unbug. Oh, sorry. See what we're doing here. Oh, yeah, it's going. It's going all gooey.
Whoops, this bang and sprays us in a lot of shit.
We'll get hurt. Well, that's what I wondered. I didn't know if it was. Oh, yeah, it's probably getting a bubble one, isn't it?
Oh, that stinks. Oh,
Yankee Candles, eat your heart out. We've got our own.
Yankee candles.
Well, it looks very tarry, doesn't it? I was waiting for the crispy centre. It's going to blow up on us.
Oh, that's Christmassy, isn't it?
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's gone quite off. Didn't think of that. I can duck seat quite well. So,
It was popping and farting.
yeah, there you go.
Look at that.
That is
Really
getting
warm,
on.
really
Yeah.
warm, really warm.
Oh, it smells rank. Yeah, you're right.
I told you it stank rank.
Well, that is a mess. Lick it.
Get your face, bro. I've got work in the morning. Oh,
Is that off your butt?
it is on my bike, but you may use it. What are you for?
Don't know. Right. Oh, that is the first sweet. That really hurt my hand now. That was quite warm.
I've got some pliers. Yeah, I've got some soy cutters.
Oh yeah. I'll just put that there for now. So okay, that was the first sweet.
£1.50 from your local motor factor.
Yeah.
No,
Oh,
it's
yeah.
£1.50.
Oh yeah. Good.
Told you.
So what we'll do, we'll clean this mess up, and then we'll do the other three and see what happens. So we're ready for the next instalment. What should we go for? Dodgy Werther's.
Yeah. Don't do that. It's probably disgusting. You can talk this one.
It's a dodgy Werther's. I'll give you that.
Well, why don't you just put it in the middle there? It's you know, it's a bit of a fire risk around here.
Oh. I'm not that far. There we go. We're away. Right. This is the dodgy Werther's.
Oh, it's spitting.
Oh, she likes to eat.
Yeah. It's a beer can. Beer can.
Beer can. Mr. Beer can. To you. Oh, that's very caramel.
Oh, yeah. That's just gone instantly black.
The take the rubber band off then.
Yeah. Oh right.
Oh yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Right, well, I think we'll let that form back. Oh, it's bubbling.
It's going out. It's going out. Give me some more.
Yeah.
Give me some
Wait.
more. Just point the gas at it. Boy. You paying for the gas? Oh, that's it.
There you go, that's it.
Now, put that on it.
Wait! Hang on, let me turn that one off.
Oh, that's... Right, that's Werther's
Well,
and paint.
That's yeah, that was Werther's and
Knockoff Werther's.
knockoff Werther's and 5mm silver. Hang on, we'll do it next to me.
Oh, what did you do that, though? Yeah, have a go.
From your local motor factory. This is quite nice, this paint. It comes out quite well. But no, I won't.
Why?
Oh,
Mate, it's liking that, isn't it?
just like the blob.
Blob or what?
I like how it's kind of. So we can get all the last sweet off basically, and it's blending in quite well. What you got?
Oh, I got
Oh,
some.
I got a little.
Oh, that one will go well. Do it. Oh, it brought that one back.
That was a little easy start then.
He nearly caught his hat light then. Oh, you pull it out, you pull it out.
Right, so we'll call time on that. That was, what was it?
Easy start.
Oh no, the dodgy Werther's.
Oh, the dodgy Werther's.
With a little bit of knockoff Werther's with a little bit of paint and easy start. So, yeah, that was fun. I'm not going to touch that. That might be warm.
That's liquid.
Yeah. Can you tag something?
Why? Oh, it stinks.
Onto the fork.
That's a woman's fucking hell.
We'll find something that we can poke in it and yeah, come back to the next sweet.
Give it a screw.
Oh, yeah.
Have a screw in it.
Oh, it's gone crispy already.
Yeah. Oh, that
Oh,
middle
it's got
bit.
it's got like a shell to it.
Oh. Well, that's squishy there.
Oh, a hint of mint.
I can do it in a shot.
Right, yes, we shall continue. So, next we're going, hopefully away from the flammable address, but just to see what's happened, that might be a bit wrong. We're going to put the other humbug, I'm not, this thing's, not sure what flavour it is,
That's
I'll
good
find
shit.
out in a minute, with a dash of two-stroke, to give that 1970s/80s vibe. How much?
Well, fucking hell. Bit more. Well, we wanted to smoke, didn't we? Oh, now we're cooking.
What, like Askbilly there?
Yeah. Oh, no, Bill's gone out.
Sorry, Bill.
Huh?
Right. Right.
Right, there you go.
Oh, I was going to taste it first.
So,
I'm not now.
Just lick it, it was fine.
Wait,
Hey,
hey.
this shit.
Right. Humbug, numero dos in two-stroke.
What is it, a humbug? What's that? Ah!
Throughout the previously unreleased Stan Gets live material, you have one saxophone colossus on the show, Sonny
What?
Rollins, here's another, and this is a gift
Hello?
of records. Unreleased live music Gets at the Gate.
Hey?
Village Gate.
Sorry about that. We kind of had a intruder into the workshop then. That was creepy. You know,
One of our fans.
Yeah, one of our fans, subscribers. They
Love us.
not too much, I think. But anyway, we were on the secondary humbug with two-stroke call. Oh yeah, like that.
Is it frying it? It's oil, isn't it? Oh, heavy oil.
So I think there's like a jus, like you could baste it if we had something to baste it with.
What the fuck's a jus?
Like a drizzle, sauce.
Oh.
Yeah. I'm getting nausea.
F, go.
Guys. Oh, what's that? That ain't very flammable. Oh! There it is. Oh, blowing it out.
Oh, blow it out. Oh, really? Well, yeah,
Oh,
turn
that's-
it down, turn it down.
What's that spraying on? It stinks.
Powerland.
Oh, right. Oh, that's
Carcinogenic.
Yeah, carcinogenic. Right, so that's a pool now.
Oh, no, that proper stinks, doesn't it?
Yeah, that's not nice.
Oh, that's not nice.
So what we got? The oil's kind of floating away a bit.
What's that? I was going to give it some more.
Oh,
What?
I might have made it worse doing that.
Yeah, oh, look at this. It's got a bit of carbon in it. That'll help.
What's that? Black? No, the
Drizzle.
Drizzle. Oh no, it's drizzling too much. Drizzling too much.
Oh, pick it up. Tip it up. Tip it, tip it, tip it. There you go. Nice control there. All under control.
I need something to.
Ma would be proud. Huh? Put a lighter under it. Hold it up.
Well, I need. Over the edges.
Bloody hell.
Oh yeah, what's going on this side as well? Oh, spillage.
Oh, you're tipping all over the back there.
Oh, well you.
Oh, that's a very Christmassy candle now.
Oh, yeah.
Look at it. The ambience of the black
Oh, no,
shit coming off.
That's clean. That's the one.
It's taking the paint off my frame.
Smoke Tourette. Oh, it loves that.
Huh?
Oh, that's a bit warm in the old fearless.
Pissing off down the back now.
Oh! Oh well, we'll tidy up when we're done. We always have a bit of spillage. Shall I just lob the lemon on it now?
Yeah. In the wrapper.
In the wrapper.
Yeah.
Final sweet in the wrapper.
In the wrapper. Oh, look at that. Hey, now that's festive.
This should leave like a very nice,
Lemon scent.
yeah, tart flavour kind of aroma in the air to really finish us off.
Oh, look at the black shit coming off that.
I haven't got to the sweet yet, it's still in the wrapper. Should I have my face this way, sir?
He'll be fine. Oh, look, it's that coming out of it.
It's
Oh.
Oozy.
I can still smell Powerland paint.
It's not good.
No.
Oh, we'll let this simmer gently, and yeah, we'll come back to it in a bit when it's smelted down a bit. I think the film that it comes in is protecting the sweet.
I thought you turned the fucker off.
I started it again.
Oh. I need that to start the mower. Don't waste all of it. You've got the ragalight now.
Oh no, it's proper gooing out. Okay, what we've actually done. Have you ever seen these like roast in a bag things?
Chickens.
Yeah, chickens. You put them in the oven, and then they've got
Its
their
own
own
juices.
juices and stuff. I think that's what's happening with the sweet. What I'll do is I'll get a screw and cut it open.
Oh. That was warm, wasn't it?
What I just did then was almost put my fingers with the sweet. So what we got is this is the crispy shell, the wrapper, and inside.
You said we could have some sherbet.
I bought some and went to the pantry. That's a bit of shell. Yeah, it's completely melted. I know. It's just a thick, tarry, gloopy mess now.
fucking reach it. I see short legs and arms.
It's kind of got like an Evo sticky consistency to it. And it's still warm because obviously there's fire there. Keeps on your fingers, isn't it? What are you doing? Do you want this melted?
What am I doing? You just concentrate on your fucking what you're doing. Yeah, there's a rapper there. Go on.
Oh yeah, that reignited it. What? Fingers? Yes. We like that.
I've got some Tommy Walsh.
Oh, what's the time? Oh, they said, Doctor, I'm ready. Oh yeah.
What?
Oh wow, no, we're going out. We're
I'm
going
going
out.
out. Yeah. Give me some gas. Really? Fucking hell. Oh.
We're out. What's your quote? Now that's the sweets done.
Take the lid off it, dough whacker. It's got a lid on it. If you just squeeze it, that's going to piss all over your trousers. Oh, look at that. Cupcake. Come on. There it comes. Oh, squeeze it.
That's it.
What do you mean that's it?
That's it. All on it. Probably not open my lens any good, actually. We'll move that.
You have what?
So that's probably not doing my lens any good.
What legs?
Lens. Oh yeah, that is. She likes
Whoa,
that.
so it's fucking popping.
Yeah. Oh.
What?
Oh yeah, that's pretty like that. But basically, as you can see, it's gone from a simple investigation to
Carnage.
carnage.
We have been engaged in many messages, even this moment right here, communicating to.
Well, it's a clean burn.
Are there to deter aggression.
There's not much black. Oh, here comes the black stuff.
And we will continue to communicate that message while doing the things that are necessary to protect American interests.
Bloody hell.
Oh, it's sticky, isn't it? It's
Yeah.
sticking to my tongue.
Teenagers have been jailed after admitting to encouraging terrorism online.
They're starting to smell.
Yeah. I think I'll just leave this video
Simmering.
with a nice picture of the fire. So, thank you very much for watching. Check out all our other series. Find us on Facebook. Like and subscribe. We'll see you again.
Around 7,000 students on Thursday after 2 questions were leaked online last week. Pearson, the company that owns EdXL, said it was a precautionary step while an investigation was underway. And the weather, heavy and thunder showers across parts of Southern
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Pistol Lover Workshop. Billy Ball, wow, bag, swell, knacker. What's his fucking now? I forgot now. He's wired. Happy birthday to you. That's really starting to smell bad.